Picture this: a 22-year-old with a $200,000 computer science degree just got rejected for a junior developer role. The person who got hired? A self-taught 19-year-old who used ChatGPT to build a portfolio in 3 months. This isn't a rare story anymore. It's becoming the norm. We've been sold the idea that a college degree equals career success. But AI is exposing a truth universities don't want you to know. Most degrees are teaching outdated information that artificial intelligence can now do faster, cheaper, and better. Let's break down the real psychology behind how AI is killing the value of a college degree. 1. The credential illusion. Psychologists call it the diploma effect, where people believe a piece of paper validates competence. But research on cognitive biases shows this is pure social conditioning. While traditional students spend 4 years memorizing theories, AI-savvy learners are building real skills in real time. A Harvard MBA graduate can recite business frameworks. A ChatGPT user can analyze market data, create strategies, and execute plans in minutes. The degree promised expertise. AI delivered it to everyone. That's the psychological shift employers are now recognizing. 2. Skills over status. Studies on hiring psychology reveal that companies increasingly value demonstrated ability over educational pedigree. Take the story of Marcus, who dropped out sophomore year and learned prompt engineering. He now earns more than his former classmates who graduated. While most people chase institutional validation, psychologically secure individuals understand that internal locus of control means they create their own credentials through results. AI didn't kill the degree's value. It exposed that it never had inherent value to begin with. 3. The debt-to-obsolescence ratio. Behavioral economists identify something called sunk cost fallacy, where people justify past investments even when they're losing value. Students graduate with massive debt for knowledge that's obsolete before they finish. Consider Sarah, a marketing graduate who learned traditional advertising. By graduation, AI tools like Jasper and Midjourney had automated everything she studied. While others cling to their expensive education, emotionally intelligent people recognize when the system has changed. That's metacognitive awareness most graduates lack. 4. Adaptive intelligence wins. Research on neuroplasticity shows that continuous learning creates stronger neural pathways than burst learning. AI rewards people who adapt daily, not those who studied once for 4 years. A graphic designer using AI image generators learns and evolves constantly. A fine arts graduate applies fixed techniques from 2020. While credential seekers stop learning after graduation, self-directed learners never stop. AI didn't devalue degrees. It revealed who is truly committed to growth. 5. The authority collapse. Social psychology research on authority bias shows we've been conditioned to trust institutional credentials blindly. AI democratized knowledge, shattering that illusion. When a teenager with internet access can access the same information as a PhD, the psychological power dynamic shifts. While previous generations needed universities to access expertise, current generations recognize that universities are now just expensive middlemen. That's not rebellion. That's psychological evolution. So next time someone dismisses AI-driven learning, don't assume they're being traditional or wise. They might just be psychologically invested in a system that no longer serves them. They're defending their past investment, not evaluating current reality. The smartest minds aren't asking whether to get a degree. They're asking how to leverage AI to make education irrelevant. Credentials signal the past. Skills signal the future. And AI just made that crystal clear. If you love understanding why people think and behave the way they do, hit subscribe now. Because on Tiny But Wise, we don't just follow trends, we decode their minds.